Hello there, welcome back. So this is the prediction analysis video. Yeah, that was the worst intro. Basically, I'm in the mountain right now. You wanna see? So this is the mountain. Actually, I'm on top of a mountain. If I just go over there, you can literally see the view from there. Maybe you can see, you can't. If you can't, you can't. Don't force to. So I just did the meditation. I literally walk on the mountain. I mean, not walk. It's basically trekking. I did trekking for like a half an hour maybe, and now I'm on the mountain. So basically, why I came here just to have inside the nature for doing analysis, because this thing right there is the best thing to be in the perfect concentration mode. And this week, holy shit, like, are these trees going to fall on me? Looks like that, man. So I will be just like this week is the most important week. This week is the most important week. Why? There is, we have to make that 1.8% to pass the funded account. Sorry, not funded account, to pass the 6-figure challenge account. And that is what our main goal is. So let's make that 1.8% right there. And not a issue. If we have lost this week, no problem. Then the next week we are going to kill this for sure. So let's start. And basically, yeah, I was doing the what it is. I was doing the what it is. Oh my god! I was doing the meditation by going live on YouTube live. And now we are done. Yeah, she is my mom. Yeah, just close all of this. Oh yeah, alarm. I have to close the alarm as well, because that thing right there, alarm will go off soon. Why? I don't want to. Is there any alarm as active? No. Perfect, because that will disturb us. Alright, so let's start. So there will be 3 sections. Yesterday I also started to do this, but in middle of the road I just got breaked up. So I have to do restart again. So we will be starting it again. So in this video, like, yeah, basically this, if this thing is recorded, so that thing right there is a video. So in this video there will be 3 sections. The first section is going to be planning and updating our plans and updating the numbers, what we have done, what we haven't, basically updating our stats for this for like up till now, what happens and what not. The next section is going to be the before and after. Holy shit, that right there was honeybee. I'm so afraid of honeybee, because that thing is bite so hard. So the second section of this video will be the before and after, what we have done the prediction before, and what happens, how that prediction works, how that prediction not work, how that blah blah blah. That's the before and after. That's the second section. And the third section is going to be the pure trading analysis. So basically, let's start the first section right there. So here is my trading plan, and right there we are opening this. I wanted to do, I wanted to, yeah, fuck it, let's turn off the power setting thing. I want a Picasso thing. So this is basically, let's start our why Uber is making the things. Holy shit. Let's start by seeing our trading shit plan. Let's read it, both of us. Trading success shit. Goal: to become financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which is equals to $1,000. It is equals to 84,000 INR approx. By following this trading plan, we can easily make 6.4% per month, which is equivalent to $6,400, which is equivalent to 5,68,000 INR. That is our short-term goal. That goal right there is just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That thing, like a weekly goals. That's basically right there is a weekly goals. That thing is going to get achieved within a week. So here we go for long term. The long term is not that long term. This thing right there is just for like 1 to 2 months. That is going to get achieved in max to max 2 to 3 months max. Not it just can't go above that. So the thing is like a long term goal is having 3 funded accounts, minimum of $400,000 per account. This is going to be $1.2 million total, because 4 threes are 12, 4 is 12, yes. And making only 6.4% per month is equivalent to $76,800, which is equivalent to 68 lakhs, 16,768 INR. Basically huge number. But that thing right there is just a number for me. Number. Nothing more, nothing less. Right? So yeah, let's go ahead. Trading plan. The trades which we are going to take is just 4 trades a week. Only 4 trades we are going to take per week. That is, per trade is going to be 0.8% per trade. Risk to reward ratio is equals to 1:2 RR. The win rate is going to be 50%, 2 wins, 2 loss. This we are considering a baseline, like a dumbest people baseline. And right now I have win rate of like almost 2 to 3 weeks. 2 to 3 weeks I'm having the win rate of like 100%. That's a huge. Previously I was having on that previous week, 2 weeks I got 100% win rate. All the 4 trades goes in profit, more than 1:2. The previous week I have the 90% win rate, where we lost one, where we win one. That previous week we got again 90%, and every single thing is recorded. Alright, so every single thing is recorded on YouTube. I'm predicting the market to the T with 80 to 90%, and the right thing, we are going to predict the market and take the trades based on it for this week. And guess what? A lot of trades are making money on it, but you're missing if you're watching this. If you don't watching this, you're missing. So 50% win rate, so 4 trades a week, 2 win, 2 losses. The weekly outcome is going to be 2 losses. That is equivalent to 1 point weekly outcome. So we are taking 4 trades, right? So from the 4 trades we are losing 2 trades. The 2 losses is going to be minus 1.6%. The 2 wins we are going to take the 3.2% gain with the 1:2 minimum. I'm talking about, whether we are getting more than that. Net gain is equals to 1.6% per week. That is the baseline of the per week. Challenge timeline: phase 1 goal passed in 5 weeks. That we already done. We have passed within a week only, rather than taking 5 weeks. So we are ahead like a lot weeks. We are ahead of like 4 weeks ahead. Phase 2 goal pass in 3 weeks, which is right now in the process. So total duration, if we just follow this plan, the total duration of passing the challenge account is equals to 8 weeks total. But right now I have passed the first phase within 1 week. Now the second week we have make 2.2%. Now the third week, which we are this week, this is the third week which we are going to take, which we are going to make 1 point, basically, which we are going to make like a 1.6%. This week target is going to be we'll be achieving this, man. Like this is so simple, man. And why a lot of people are doing courses, data science, and blah blah blah, to become a slave? Like, really? Updated duration. Now this is the total duration, 8 weeks. So we have already finished for phase 1 goal. Now only 3 weeks is remaining, right? So 3 weeks, from that 3 week we have consumed 1 week, so only 2 weeks are remaining. So updated duration for passing the account is total weeks is 2 weeks. So 8 weeks is equals to a 1 month and 26 days if we just come up here, and 2 weeks is equals to just 15 days. That's pretty, that thing right there is pretty much so simple. So duration calculation. So basically, if we just go with the 8 weeks plan, the start date was 13 October. We have started this challenge of passing the challenge account is at 13 October, and right now is 27 October. So basically, this thing right there, if we just go with this plan, if we just go with this plan, like 5 weeks plus 3 weeks, the total duration from 13 October to 8, that will be right there. 8 weeks is also from 13 October plus 8 weeks is also 8 December 2025. But right now, the end duration updated. Let's update this, because that thing. This is what we are going to do in this what it is. in this particular section. So end date and updated end date is equals to so right now we are right first week and 2 weeks. So if you just go right here, if you just go in the calendar, and if you just go in the, so I have to finish this fast as possible because 71% charging calendars are hidden. What the heck is this? So this week is from 27 to right there, Friday is 31, and next week is going to be 3 November to 7 November. Holy shit, this is 7 November. So the updated timeline is going to be the 7 November. Max, this thing right there can't go more than that. November 2025. That's pretty much it. Within 7 November 2025. The 7 November 2025 is the extreme. I'm talking about extreme. But the like we can easily pass within 24 hours. But that thing right there will be checking. But updated end date is going to be 7 November. This we can't just extend that more than 7 November. It is impossible to do so. Math will work on us. To achieve the goal before reaching the full financial freedom, the first milestone is to pass the funded challenge successfully. Step 1 to pass the challenge. Stick to the plan. Trade only 4 trades per week. Maintain 0.8% per trade. Aim for 1:2 risk reward ratio. Focus on consistency. Target 1.6% per week. Do not overtrade or even trade. Trade only high probable setups. Third point is track weekly progress. Write weekly gains and losses. Calculate cumulative percentage. Focus on discipline, not profit. Fourth is maintain trading journal. Record entry, exit, reason, and emotion for every single trade. Review performance every. I will delete this, you Uber man. Review performance every week. Risk management always first. Fifth point is risk management always first. Never increase risks after wins. Capital prediction is greater than the growth. Third point is keep drawdown low and account steady. Sixth point is mindset check. Stay calm and patient. And calm and patience. Yeah. Avoid emotions or impulsive decisions. This is impossible to do so. Trust the process. 8 weeks is equals to success. Now updated is 2 weeks is equals to success. Man, this thing beautiful. So here we go. This needs to be updated. Account type challenge account. Starting fees start was phase 2 was $100,000. So now the current. Let's go and let's update this. Right thing. 86.9% fuck. This is huge, man. The 102.267.72. Let's update this then. Alright, coming with the new numbers. 102.267.72. Yeah. My brain is beautiful. What thing is beautiful? So we have gained almost like a 2.2%. Right there, 2.2%. Beautiful. So in a challenge account with $5,000 account, so we have also increased this account. Just need to make the $30 or $40, 70, 90. Just need to make $20 to pass the phase 1 of this account, which is huge. Why this honeybee has the thought to kill me. 54 right now the 5479.6 is 5479.68. Let's go and update this. So 5479.68, which is, do not think, brother, do not stress on your mind. Use ChatGPT. $5,000 was starting balance. I will correct. Now balance is 5,400 and let me think. Let me use my brain. 49, 78. Is that? 79. Is that? Yeah. 5479.68. I am so good in that. 6.68. Dulles. Tell me percentage increase. uh 9.59%. So close, so close, so close. 9.59%. All right, 9.59%. All right. So that is right there is a challenge account. We have to make we have to make 10% to pass this account, which is like just $20. Not a big deal. So funded account. So what we are doing in a funded account right thing is 5,106 5116.83 5116.83 5116.83 5116.83 yeah 5116.83 5116.83. Now starting is same. Now the balance is 5116.8. Just because of I make it musically, I make it like a music. I just literally remember this 5116.83. I hope the charger is going to be here. I wanted to charge my phone. That is going to be right there, 2.34% approx. 2.34% approx. Now you can see, like, literally I'm become profitable trader. 2.0 2 point 2.34 2.34 2.34 2.34%. Past 6 years I was losing, and now I'm winning. Okay, overacting. Yeah, I know. So week 6 is going to be now. Now we have to update this. All right. So we just can't go based on this. All right. So let it be right there. So basically we have, this is going to be, we have to just copy paste like this, brother. Copy, man. Holy yeah, copy, select this, that's it. So week 6, week 7, week 8. So this is the phase 2. We have already cleared the phase 1 with the passing the whole account within a week, which is used. All right. So now we just have to update the dates. So week 6, it's not a week 6 now. It is going to be week 1. This is going to be week 2, and this is going to be week 3. All right, brother. 66% charging. This thing is blending like anything. So 20 October to 24 October, we have, our target was making 1.6%. We have make the 2.2%, which we are, oops, yeah, 2.2%, which is more than what we wanted for this week. So basically we have literally covered the next week percentage as well. Not really, but yeah, 1.6 multiplied by 2 is equal to 3.2. No, we haven't. So our this week target, 27 October to 31 October, is the 1.6% to make, which we are going to make it. If we got the good setup, we could lose. Not an issue, but we can, like, there is a probability of winning. So our target is to make 1.6%. That's pretty much it. And yeah, pretty much. So the last thing is notes. Consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan, stay patient, focus on execution, not emotions. One plan, one process, one goal, freedom. It is what it is. Now we have updated our shit, and now we are going to move forward for stage 2. My goodness, 65% charging. We're going for stage 2. The stage 2 is going to be, I will just, try to save this thing. Now we are heading towards the phase 2. Phase 2 is the before and after. We'll be checking before trades and before trades which we are going to take before the start of the previous week, and what is the result at the end of the week. We'll see. GBP NZD, I sold it, and we hit to the take profit to the T. and basically we this is only a trade which we have. Holy shit, how, like this is literally I've talked about, man. This is literally I've talked about. This is going to weak into the area of interest. Close the candle closure. I mean, this thing right there. I mean, I literally could make like 1% more by just doing nothing, by just not playing with the trade. Holy shit, we could easily pass this challenge by just holding this trade. Mm, sucks. Yeah, sucks. Not an issue. I make my work because the market was about to close, and I know, like I was knowing that this is going to come down, but at what cost? The market is about to close, so I was like, the spread is going to get higher and the market movement is going to get low. Why even, and also like why to pay the overnight charges? Why to hold this thing over the weekend? And plus, if like at the start of the at the start of the week, this more volatile like anything. It could literally like it just jump up over here, and due to spread my stop loss will get hit. Why to do this? Just be okay with what you're getting and just move on, brother. That's pretty much it. That thing right there, I literally have predicted this move to the T, to the perfection, because I am like a god of market. If I'm saying the things which is going to be happen, it is going to be happen. All right. Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, this is my prediction was or GPY. Let's see. Oh my god, this thing right there was, we also missed this trade. I mean, this is not our actual stop loss. I was about to take the trade right here, like somewhere here. Okay, I was about to take the trade somewhere here, but I haven't took the trade. But then I saw the trade over here, like when it was doing this, and I was like, I need the retracement to this area of interest to push to the upside, and basically it haven't retraced. Straight gone. Accept the thing, move. Also, it has closed about it. Like there are certain things which is like turning me off. I hope my screen is visible, man. I hope, like, yeah. Or GPY to the perfection again. We have predicted that this thing is going to go up, but the thing is we won't be able to take the trade because this was like a super high risk, was not that clear, and we were waiting for the retracement which is about to happen, which haven't happened. Move on, brother. Cat GP in the trade, tomorrow's trade excluded. Yeah, excluded trade. In excluded trade we have oh my god, again 1:2 easily. I literally have predicted this trade, man. Like literally have predicted this trade to the T. I just haven't made money, man. I like, holy shit, this thing right there was the beautiful trade. Beautiful, like this thing closes here and just pump up. I mean, wow, like I like this trade more than I like anything. But the issue was we were, hold on, what was the issue here? I have predicted this move, but I haven't take this trade. Like why? There is a reason. Somewhere in the down the line there must be a reason. Yeah, here we go. The reason is the daily was under this area of interest, because, and as per the market analysis, whenever we are down we are selling, whenever we are down we are selling, and whenever we are down we are selling. So it's basically not good to buy when we are, like when we haven't closed above the area of interest. It doesn't make sense. And after it closes above the area of interest, we were looking for the retracement, which we haven't got retracement, which we should be getting the retracement, which we haven't got retracement, which we haven't take the trade. Move on. Part of the game. It is what it is. Move on. 62% charging. Brother, my heartbeat is getting higher and higher. Oh, right there. Oh, I was like, some animal is creating noise, but no, this thing there. Again, we literally have predicted this thing was like beautiful, like beautiful trade. This is Picasso trade. Like this was the trade, the beautiful trade. and which was easily we can make. Odd cat was a trade which we have took in a previous week, and we have make almost 2 lakh rupees in that. But this week, I'm just not interested to take this trade. I literally don't interest, like, because it is consolidating at the same price, man. I don't like this trade. We'll come on analysis for sure, but right now, I just want to pass. I'm going to take the highest probable trades for this week, because this week target is to make this 2 lakhs again, and we will definitely make this. Odd cat, not like this, but our prediction was 100% correct. Next thing is Euro USD. I have to speak low now. The Euro USD, the prediction was correct. The prediction was correct, but we haven't come and hit our take profit, and again to the break even. I haven't took this trade. This trade was like a 10 times beautiful, but we should ask ourselves, like, is this thing worth of risking our 1%? And this is a question. No, this thing is not worth of risking 1%. You get it. All right, so let's go for win rate calculations. What we have predicted. So we have predicted 1, 2, then cat GPY 3, and then odd. What is this? Odd GPY. Basically, these two. So no. Odd cat as well. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, and four trades we have predicted, and fifth. This fifth trade we have predicted, but it haven't hit the stop loss. Not at all. I also take profit. So we can literally say our win rate was for previous week was 100%, literally. And if I just take every single trade in previous week, I would literally make. Let's not talk about money. Let's talk about percentage. It was, if you just take like 1:2 over here, 1:2, 2 1 2 the 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 8, 2 5 10. Brother, literally we could make 10%. That is going to be almost, not gonna lie, almost 8-9 lakhs. But you should always ask question. Do this trade looks clean? This thing doesn't look clean. Pass. Now easily will be now the section 2 of this video has been done. Now we'll go for section 3, that is pure analysis of the trades which we are going to take this week. All right, so let's de-shortlist all the trades. All right, let's de-shortlist all the trades of the trades which we have shortlisted in previous week. So now let's go and analyze the pure week. And before start of this week, I anticipate that I literally anticipate that this week, like this Monday, is going to be the beautiful, I mean, Picasso setups for taking the trade for this week. Let's go and let's analyze, brother. GBP CAD. I think so. I should be closing this video and saving this part of video, or else I will be risking a whole video. Let it be. Alright, so let's go for GBP CAD. Hold on. How much time it is? 8:55, right? We have to finish analysis within 30 to 40 minutes. Let's go. GBP CAD, I'm not interested in this trade. Pass. Move. NZD CAD, beautiful trade, beautiful liquidity gap. I mean, this trade looks 10 times beautiful. We were literally waiting for this trade from 2 weeks, 1 and 2. Now this trade is really ready to go down. But you should ask a question, like, where are you selling? You're selling so low. Do not sell this, okay? This thing is very much ready to go down, but I'm not going to take this trade. Why? You may ask, like, why Uddesh? Like, why? Because this is like the lowest low of the whole currency. We should not involve in this trade. This look beautiful, 10 times better than what we want. But you should ask a question, like, do you want to risk your 1% in this trade where the probability of winning is just 40%? The answer is, of course, no. Move. Accept the things. CAD GPY. Brother, this is like a higher high. I'm waiting for the retracement to particularly, pretty much the same area of interest. Wait for the retracement. right now this week this is not ready for taking the trade. Move, accept. Holy shit, are we going to pass a lot of currencies, man? NZTGPY looks good. mm, what it is, this is the higher eye. Structure, man, this trade is so messy. This trade looks good actually, but this thing is messy. Also the take profit is already hit. Nah, I'm good. Don't want to get involved in the currencies. Don't want to get involved in the trades, which is not good. And a lot, like millions of people don't know why they are taking the trade and they are hitting the stop loss and they are like, why am I losing the trades? Like, brother, you're doing wrong thing. If you're doing wrong thing, of course you will get wrong thing. Do the right thing, get the right thing. That's pretty simple. Potato. It's basically same. uh GBP odd. Basically we are bullish in the weekly time frame, but right now we are creating lower lows and lower highs. That is a sign of getting bearish. But right now we are in a point where we can have the bullish pressure and can go upside. This looks beautiful for taking the sell trade. I have to control myself and think clearly, like, oh my god, this is also I have predicted for this, for previous week. Oh my god, my prediction is getting so good. I'm literally a god of market. If I'm saying this thing is going to happen, that thing right there is going to keep happen. The question is, should we take the trade? And the answer is we shouldn't, because this was not the high probability setup. If you wanted to make the good amount of money, you should take the high probability setup. You should not take the low probability setup. Okay. GBP odd. I'm not gonna lie, this looks beautiful, like 10 times better than what I'm seeing up till now. The question we should ask, like, do like is it a good trade? And the answer I'm getting is not. Let's say why. Because we are on a position where we are retesting EMA. We are having the support, like we are at a place like 10 times better. We're at a place where the buyers are going to come and push this market to the upside. And right now a lot of sellers are going to sell because it looks beautiful for taking the sell. And only professional trader like me knows what is going to get happen. You guys are going to get stop out. You guys are going to lose because this is not ready for going for go down. It is ready for going to go up. Ask a question. Is this ready to go down? No. It's ready to go up right now. I'm just moving this trade. I'm passing this trade. I don't like. I'm good. Euro JPY. Here we go for Euro JPY. Next trade, Euro JPY. I'm good. This is so high. Not gonna lie. This looks beautiful. 10 times better than. But ask a question, where are we in the move? This is so high, it needs a retracement. If you're buying this trade, you're going to get stop out because you're going to buy at the top where the market is going to come down. You guys made to lose. If you're doing these mistakes, you guys made to lose. Yeah, alright guys. Now this is the trade which we are talking here. This is a beautiful trade. Like this trade I was waiting for 2 weeks. And guess what? We got it. So let's analyze this clearly. Odd cat, huh? Odd cat. The weekly time frame is bearish. There is always a reason why the market is doing the things. The bearish happens just because of the monthly time frame is this thing right there is going to use my IQ now. Alright. I hope my video is clear. Yeah, monthly is bearish. Retest is the EMA created that week. Weekly, this looks beautiful, like perfect. Like this thing right there is the high probability setup. Not gonna lie. Like at that area of interest, whenever we are up we are buying, whenever we are down we are selling, and right now we are down. We have created the beautiful doji on the weekly time frame. That is the rejection, showing that rejection from this area of interest. Oh, but not gonna lie, brother, I was like, this thing right there looks beautiful, But if we go on a lower time frame, like a daily time frame, look at this. Not gonna lie, this is not a good trade. This thing right there is not a good trade because see, for a whole almost like from 13 October to almost 24 October, we're doing nothing. We're doing nothing. I mean, this trade looks so good in higher time frame, but if we do go more deeper, more our analysis, this thing is, yeah, this I know, like if I literally can say that this thing is going to go down, but the question is to ask is, should we take this trade? And right now I'm getting answer is we should not take the trade. Why? That is reason we are doing nothing, man. We're doing nothing. Like we are at the same place from 12 October to up till now, doing nothing. Like why should you risk your 1%? Alright, so odd CAD, skip. Euro odd. This thing is going to come down, huh? Alright, so this is bearish, this is bullish. So daily is bullish. This euro odd looks messy, you know. This little bearish. We are above. We created a doji to go upside. Like really, like what I should do now. See, this thing is giving me the buying opportunity, but right now we are so top in the move that it needs a retracement. See, if I'm saying it needs a retracement, it has to have the retracement because I'm not saying like it's going to have a retracement. I'm saying by using my studies. This is not ready for buy. I'm good. Passing this NZUSD. NZUSD. Where are we selling? We're selling on a top so low. I'm good. Not gonna lie. Beautiful trade. But ask a question. Should we take this trade? Euro JPY not good. Sorry, Euro GBP not good. Holy shit, like what is this? GBP USD. Oh, GBP USD looks good. Alright, GBP USD looks good. But now it's not good. Like whenever I'm going a lower time frame for doing the multi time frame analysis, nah, it's just like turning me off. Like no, this thing is not good. Bearish, bullish. Holy shit, man! This trade has a price action so good. But ask a question like, does this trade make sense? And right now I'm getting answer. This trade doesn't make sense because we are selling at the lowest low at the point. Nah. By just doing this, like asking question and doing the proper top down analysis, I just literally avoiding like almost how much trades which we have. GBP USD, where is GBP USD? Oh, where is GBP USD? Can you spot it? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Literally avoided 10 losses. Not gonna lie, getting so good in prediction. I also predicted odd JPY. This thing looks good for buy, but I'm not interested because I'm not interested, man. Like, this thing is so up. Not interested. GBP JPY. Again, this thing is up. Not interested at all. Use JPY. Holy shit! Are we not going to have it trades in for this week? Use JPY is so on top. Not interested. go down. Eurocad. Huh, Eurocad looks good. Eurocad looks good. Eurocad doesn't look good. Like whenever I'm analyzing the higher time frame, and when I'm going on a lower time frame, if the trade doesn't make sense, I just skip it. If that thing is doesn't make sense, like how it is going to make sense to risk your 1%? Holy shit! Look at the view, man. After seeing the screen for almost 40 minutes, after seeing this beautiful greenery, literally changes everything. Eurocad looks good, but I don't want to take this. Euro USD is consolidating. Is no. Euro USD, huh? Euro USD looks doesn't look good. Hold on, my legs. Oh shit. What I will do, I will just stand up and do the analysis. Go here. Oh shit. My legs are paining, man. It is what it is. Look at the view. Like look at that view. Just view. Not gonna lie, you can't able to enjoy this view because you're sleeping on a bed and you're watching my video. Like why? Move. Work on your goals. Focus on yourself. What are you doing? Let's analyze this Euro USD. Basically, this has created a higher low, but also like created a rejection wick on a place where there is a no man's land. This thing looks like it is going to go down. This has created a rejection right there. Oh my god, my legs. What to say in English? Like a mungia. What is word to say in English? Cramps? Nah, that's not cramps. Miracle morning. Alright, so like 909, 50% battery. Yeah, now we are going good. This is the bearish candle. Retest push to downside, but I think so we can come the candlestick closure over here. On a daily, it looks beautiful for taking the sell trade. Beautiful higher low. Beautiful closing below this area of interest. 4 hours. Let's see the 4 hours. Having the holy shit, this book. Come on, man, the range is not getting good. Connect the range. Alright, so high low. Alright, brothers, so I think so we are going to have the touch to this EMA. This has a setup, okay? I'm not gonna lie, this has a setup, but the question to ask is like, does that setup is a high probable setup? Lower lows, lower high. What is the probability of creating the new bearish candle without creating a lower high. Yeah, this thing looks lower high. This thing looks like a lower high, but it's having a rejection. Like, why in the world it is having a rejection from a no man's land? This is not a, like, yeah, this is the structure, but nah, not a good structure. I'm not gonna lie, brother. Look at this, like, this trade, like this trade. If this touch to the CMA, I will more interested to take the trade. Right now it is not ready to take the trade because also 4 hours is bullish. Nah, not at all. Not a good thing. Not a good trade. Like, I wanted to ask myself a question, man. Like, is this a good trade? This thing is up, bottom, retest, created the beautiful doji. But I personally think like it is going to come and retest this area of interest. A body candlestick closure before it go down. The question to ask is like, is this a good trade? That's a lower high, that's a lower low. That is a beautiful, like, that right there is created a lower high, having the rejection from this area of interest, closure below this beautiful high probability support and resistance area. Hmm. This trade will make sense when it is going to touch that EMA. I mean, this trade looks solid in 4 hours. You just break a retest to that EMA. It is like pumping to go down. The question to ask is, do you really want this trade? I mean, it also have created that wick to the go down. This also, this thing also have weak into the area of I mean, this trade looks good if it is haven't retested this EMA. What to do? Like, have created doji. Uh, I mean, what should I do? What I should do? What I should do? What I should do? This thing right there is going to make or break of the trading because why in the world this network is not working? Like, why? Yeah, let's analyze it deeply. Okay, let's analyze it deeply. This thing is bullish, this thing got bearish, it has retested this area of interest, it has created a doji and then again one more doji, then also it has, like this doji is the created the kind of lower high to create the lower low. Now in a daily we have already closed below, already having the rejection, and now in 4 hours we are going to get bearish. Once it get bearish, it will retest this EMA, it will going to push to the downside. I mean, brother, this trade looks like solid, man. But why in the world I'm getting that gut feeling that it is going to retest that EMA of daily, and it is going to retest that area of interest on the weekly time frame? Like, if I'm having the gut feeling, man. Oh man, this trade looks good. The question to ask is like, should we take the trade? Now the 44% battery, I'm gonna have to double up. Now this week has also created the lower wick from the previous week. Now here I have to make a decision. This trade looks solid. This trade has every single thing which I want, but somewhere down the line I don't feel good, Why in the world this network is not working? Network work. A network. Work. No, it's not working. It is not working. Come on, man. You have to work. Holy shit! This thing right does not working, man. Taking my battery for no reason. I will shortlist this trade as a low probability setup. Oh shit! This is not working. I never used to close the things like this, but I will, cause why not? Oh shit. Euro USD. Alright guys, I have made my decision. Alright, so if I want the high probable setup, I will be needing the 4 hours candlestick closure on this area of interest of the 4 hours. If this comes up, now if the 4 hours candlestick closure, that will be coming up and retest the daily EMA. Alright, and after the retesting daily EMA, I want 4 hours to go bearish, retrace to this EMA, 4 hours EMA, and that is how we are going to push to downside. If this thing happens, then I will close my eyes and take the trade for sure. But if this thing doesn't happen, I'm not going to take the trade. This is the daily EMA. Alright, I love this trade, man. Without touching that EMA, we can easily take the trade and we can easily hop onto this line. But I ask a question like, is this a high probable to take the trade? You suddenly know that like we can have the, oh my god, I was about to fall there. We can have the break. I need a daily candlestick, like a 4 hours candlestick closure over there, or daily candlestick closure maybe. No, I just want weak into that area of interest. If I have a gut feeling if that is going to weak into that area of interest, that thing is going to weak into that area of interest. Right now, I think so. It is showing the bearish pressure for having the like taking the sellers into participants. And once the people are going to sell, then it is going to take that liquidity grab, and then it is going to get bearish, and then it is going to push to downside. Right now, I am interested right now, but it feels like this thing doesn't look good. This thing right there doesn't look good. Even though I will be completely okay if this thing comes down instantly. I am completely okay. I'm accepting this risk, I'm accepting this, like I could miss out on this trade. First thing, I'm accepting this. This is what I have learned from training in the zone book. You should accept the things. I'm completely accepting that if this comes down, I'm completely okay for losing that. Like, I'm completely okay for missing that trade. But here also one more point, that if these things come up, I will hit my stop loss, and then it is going to go to the downside. Holy shit, brother! This really looks beautiful. Perfecto. And I hate why this network is so slow over here. Holy shit! Like why? Like why? Holy shit! This thing is so slow. Like why? Oh, I look worse. Like I look like an alien from this down can, and I have to be like this. It is not working. I have to do something. We'll come down. We'll quickly go down. Oh shit! Like why in the world this is here? Like why in the world this is here? Hmm? Why? All right. So network is back in the game. Uh, you know what, guys? I really don't like this trade. Nah, I'm just going to skip this. I literally don't like this trade. I like this trade, but now if this is taking time, if it is taking like, if it is having me like a things to consider, I don't like that trade. Now this is a trade which we are talking about. This trade right there is going ready to go. We are weak into this area of interest. We have wick into this area of interest, and now we are ready to go up. This is a trade which we have took the sale trade. We have cleared the trade. I think I need to drink water. Let's drink the water, man. Alright guys, I just drink the water, and now we are heading towards to our usual spot where the internet connection is there. I mean, like, I'm on top of a mountain, still I'm suffering with the internet connection. Alright, look at the views. Until that loads, look at the views. The sky feels like I am going to I'm on airport and ready to hop onto my Dubai plane. It is going to happen for sure within one day, uh, 1 month. Alright, so we are very much ready to go up. Very much. This trade now. This is a trade which we have to do. Now this trade is very much ready. Oh my god, this is actually ready. Holy shit, this trade is literally ready to take you upside. Where are we buying? Hold on, whoa, wait a minute, Like, where are we buying here? We are on the top, man. No, I don't like this trade. From 2016 to up till now, we haven't come up here. This is, I know that this is going to go up. I can bid 1000 lot on this. I can bid 100% of my capital, and I can predict that it's going to go up. But the question to ask is it? Is this a high probability setup? If this is a high probability setup, okay. Now why I have took this sale to the downside, because that was so up, and we got it. But you have to ask, is this a high probability setup? This will be high probability setup when it is going to create a doji on weekly time frame. That will attract me. But right now we are so on the top and we are ready. Like I'm saying, if you're watching this video, just take the trade once it breaks and retest over here. Once it break and retest over this line, and then take the trade right here, and you can easily make that money. All right, this is easy, like easy. That's it. That's pretty much it. But the question to ask is like, we are so up, the getting wicked out for the buys is very much likely, very much high probable. I don't like this trade. I don't give a fuck about this trade, man. I don't like. Odd USD, let's go on Odd USD. Very, 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 very beautiful trade. But if we go on a daily, this thing right there is consolidating. I don't like this trade, man. Nah. I mean, this. I know that this is going like. Oh my! Wait. Before we start, how many people remember that I literally say that this thing is going to come on the area of interest, and we can do that daily, yeah, man. How many people, like, raise your hands right now? How many people remember this? Literally, I said this thing can't just go down. It has to go up. And guess what? This thing has gone. Like, I'm saying now, I'm a god of market. If I'm saying this is going to happen, this thing has to happen. Because I'm not saying like maybe this is going to be happen, maybe no, not that bullshit thing. If I'm saying with the data, I'm saying with the experience. Alright? Brother, but right now it is very much ready to go down. I'm not gonna lie, it looks beautiful, I mean, it looks actually, this trade is like beautiful, Picasso. The question to ask is, does it high probable setup? Nah, brother, this is not a high probable setup. This is the area of interest. Whenever we are up, we are buying. Whenever we are down, we are selling. And right now we are up. And brother, we haven't even closer on this area of interest on the weekly time frame. Not a good trade. I don't like. And this is how, oh my god, I have predicted this move to the team, which haven't happened. Brother, like, which haven't happened. I think so. How you should, this is like a beautiful. I mean, we are getting engulfing candle on the lower, like on the lower time frame for taking the sell trade. I just hope that I will not get bite from this next. Whoever messaged me, I don't know them. Alright, so the high probable setup, if we talk about, I just need daily to close below and then retrace to go to downside. Something is there, okay. To go to downside right now, like that is the reason we have to wait for double confirmation if you are taking the lower time frame trade. Low probable trade. And right now, this thing, in previous week I was about to take the trade. I mean, this trade looks 10 times better than whatever we are going to take. But the question to ask is it the good trade? This is not a good trade. This was not a good trade. We are just taking a trade on a 4 hours get bearish. Like, what the hell is this? Like, we have to wait for a daily to get bearish, man. The leaf, the greenery. Just look at that, man. Like, look at this. I bet you guys can't able to enjoy this because you're sleeping on your bed and watching this video. Come on, man. Wake up and focus on your goals. USD CAD, I'm not interested. CAD JPY, holy shit, holy shit, not interested at all. CHF, oh my god, this thing, this week we don't have trade. Fuck, wait, what? Oh yeah, we are going to come down. Hold on. We have a trade, okay? Don't worry, don't worry, brother. This is the high, this is the low, and if it is come and close over here, that will be the best possible trade to take there, because we have to create the lower high. Holy shit, I heard the buffalo voice. How in the world buffalo is in the top? Oh, that's the human voice. That's the human voice. Shit. That is the yoga voice, brother. Yoga. Alright. Oh yes. I can't make this shit, bro. This has like I'm getting so good in prediction. I can bet almost like my whole capital in this, but I don't want to. That newbie trader. I'm a professional trader, brother. I just don't want, like, now this week is going to get created in this area of interest. Like, this thing is going to come up. Why to make the week on that area of interest, brother? This is going to come and week into this area of interest, and now on a daily it is going to come up and retest that beautiful area of interest, create a lower high and create a new lower low. Basically, this is what I saw by seeing the daily time frame. And guess what? The higher time frame is supporting my views, supporting my predictions, supporting my studies, and this is how we take the higher of the setup. And now the question you need to ask: should we take this trade? Right now, it is not ready to take the trade. Right now, nah. This week is not ready to take this trade. This thing is going to consolidate for one more week, and then it is going to come down. You may ask, like, how in the world would this know, brother? Uddesh no. Accept this. Do not think like how in the world, like Uddesh no. That is it. That is only it. This is the beautiful engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. This is going to come down for sure. The question to ask is like when this is going to come up, close over here. That will involve one day. Then the next day is going to be doji day. Then the next day is going to be liquidity gap day, and the next day is going to push candle day. But the question to ask is it the good trade? And I'm getting the answer is nah. This thing is not ready to take the trade this week, because it has to create a lot of daily candlesticks, which is going to take the whole week. And if the trades come and Thursday or Friday, we just can't able to take the trade, because this big push is not going to come in this week. This push has to come in the next week, because this is a big push. It has to consolidate a bit, do his business, and then go to the downside, brother. It is what it is. Euro NZD not ready to take the trade. Nah, not gonna lie. So look at this view, man. I will like, fuck this view. It's beautiful, like Picasso. The flyers, the small flyers. Hold on, like, there is no snake. Yeah, I need to be cautious. What the heck is this? They're doing, oh shit, they are doing SE. Why no, like they are doing, like they're flying and doing the things, man. Like they're literally doing the things. Oh shit, these two flies are playing the games in middle of the, oh my, like they can go, they can sit somewhere and they can enjoy the beautiness what they are enjoying. But why in the world they wanted to enjoy when they are flying? They are literally flying and doing the things. Why? Alright, boys, I'm not interested to take this trade for this week. Euro NZD, CAD CHF. CAD CHF, huh? This is too low. I'm not interested. NZD CHF, this is too low, not interested. USD CHF, USD CHF, is this too low? Yeah, this is too low. This is where the price has never been here to the bottom of this area of interest. The bottom of this, like, this is like, this price has never come here. GBP CHF, this is too low, not interested. Euro CHF, this is also too low, not interested at all. Odd NZD, why to risk in this particular trade? Like, odd NZD, yeah. Holy shit, this is going to come down, brother. It has to come down. Why does it haven't come down? We'll see. Predicted the market is going to come down. Like, it is going to have that engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. But the issue is this is bullish, but structure is bearish. Nah, this is good, but this will be the most high probably when the engulfing candle will be there in a weekly time frame. GBP CAD, huh? Oh, we circle back to the first point. Oh shit. We circle back to the first point. That means we circle back to the original position where that means there is no trade in this week. Holy shit, that means this week we can't pass this challenge. I mean, now I have to accept it. Like, I have to do two things now. Should I accept and do nothing and just wait for the next week for the next high probable setup? Or the second option is take the low probable setup and have the loss and get fucked up. Like, you have to ask a question. Alright? You have to ask a question. Right now, the answer is yeah, you can take it. The answer is Euro USD. The Euro USD is only the one currency which I can see the high probable setup. Not a high probable setup, the low probable setup. But the issue is, where are we in the move on the weekly? We are so low on the. Oh shit, this is going to go down. This thing is pumping down. What I should do? Like, this is the high, this is the low, this is the lower high to create the lower low. I mean, this trade looks good, but I still believe it is going to come up till here. The daily have rejected this area of interest, but daily is going to come and close over here. It needs to have because it just can't work with the rejection, like a weak center the area of interest. The candlestick has to come and reject over here. Basically, that will be making the 4 hours again bullish. Right now it is making bearish, but it is going to make bullish, and again once this get bearish, and then we will be taking the trade when 4 hours get bearish. Now this is only trade we have to like fall on to, but the issue is this. The probability of this goes down right now is very low, you know, very much low. Like, I work on probability. This thing is going down is very much low probability, rather than it is going to go up, have the candlestick come here, body candlestick close over here, and then push to downside. That is right there is going to be the high probable, and I want to take the high probable. Even if this thing looks low probable, still I want to take the, like, in the low probable I want to take my high probable setup. I just don't want to take the low probable setup and taking the low probable setup, in that low probable setup taking the more low probable entry confirmations. No, I wanted to take the low probable setup with the high entry signal confirmation. So basically I need this to be candlestick closure over here, even 4 hours, even daily. Alright, so if this is going to come up, then what the fuck is this? What, like, I joined yesterday this groups, and this group is so fake like anything. You won't even believe it. Every single person is fake in that. This thing is going to come up and retest this EMA. I have like gut feeling of this. Like, if I'm having gut feeling, you know, that feeling gets true. Because I'm having gut feeling for no reason, okay? There is always reason. Like, for no reason. There is no gut feeling. If I am having a gut feeling, brother, it has to have some reason. So even if that goes down, I'm good, I'm okay. That even that this is a low probability setup. We are going to avoid this trade eventually, but if I wanted to take the trade, I want this to come over here, daily body candlestick closure over here, do something, mess up here, and also 4 hours get bullish, take that liquidity, take that fucking liquidity, and then push to the downside. Basically, this is what I want. This looks like this looks beautiful, like a Picasso. Let me check. Can we adjust our area of interest? This is the body, and then 1, 2, 3, and there right there 4. What makes sense? 1, 2, 3. Like see, this is the area of interest I'm looking into. Like, just make the other color. This is 1, this is 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. We are break retest that area of interest, even though this can't be have the candlesticks over there. The 4 hours is, nah, this thing doesn't work like this. Nah, this is not the high probability of interest. If I'm going to take the trade, I need the, oh shit, 26% battery. What the heck? I have to delete this. This is only the high probability of area of interest. If we talk about, I want daily candlestick closure over here, so we have to wait for daily. So 3 things I need over here, alright, to take this trade. Brother, this is a low probable setup. I just wanted to like tell you, this is the Euro USD, and I'm not going to take an emotional trade. I just need this trade tomorrow's trade. I just need some confirmation to take the trade before. Alright, so the confirmation is going to be the first confirmation. Alright, so the weekly is doing his business. Alright, so weekly is getting bearish. This looks cool. Weekly also have created the lower high. The only thing which I don't like the weekly is so low. I think so it is going to come up here. The only thing which I don't like that. The daily. Alright, take this trade right now. It looks beautiful to take the trade right now, but I'm not going to take the trade right now. Why? Because we haven't candlestick closure. We have just weakened to this area of interest. I think I'm having gut feeling that we are going to come up here. We're going to have a candlestick closure over there, and we're going to weaken to this daily EMA, and then right now the 4 hours is getting bearish. Okay, and I love this trade to take the trade right now, but where are we in the move? We're in the low. We have just rejected this. We have just rejected this for area of interest. I want the candlestick closure on the area of interest, and if as per the daily time frame, if it is going to come up here, this is going to also reject the daily EMA. Then if to make it simple, first thing, I want daily candlestick closure over on this area of interest, body candlestick closure, not wicks. Second thing, I want the EMA to daily EMA to wick into this area of interest. Daily wick to wick into this EMA. Alright. Third thing I want again, now right now this 4 hours is getting bearish. I want 4 hours to go bullish, and then wick into that daily EMA, and then 4 hours get bearish. That time right there, I'm going to take the trade. Right now, this looks beautiful. Like if I was a 5 to 6 months before Uddesh, I would literally take this trade right now. But now I'm so conservative trade right now. I'm so conservative thing. I will not take the trade right now. I need the more confirmation, because if I'm having the gut feeling that this is going to come up, this thing is going to come up. So now who is going to win? My gut feeling or market? Market is going to easily come here over here, and I'm completely okay. Like I am completely okay with this because I have to accept this. Like if I am waiting for the confirmation, I can literally, and if this market comes down, I can literally miss this trade. All right, literally easily miss this 1:2, 1:3, easily miss this. All right, easily miss the passing the funded account, easily miss that 2 lakhs rupees. Okay, whatever we can do, like not talk about percent, we'll talk about percentage easily. But same way, if we think about that, if we just take the trade and if this comes up, if that will hit our stop loss, we would lose the trade, even though we know that this has that probability that this is going to do that. All right, so why do this? If this having the probability of doing that particular thing, then do not do that, right? Control yourself, man. You're a trader, you're not like a gambler. Like, oh, I saw this, enter. Now you have to think it twice, man. Like you have to think. Right now looks beautiful for taking the sell, but I don't want to. I'm completely okay. If I miss this trade, I will be completely okay. I'm okay. So yeah, pretty much this is only the only and only Euro USD is a trade which we are going to take the trade in this week. And again, if you're taking it, this is the low probable setup for taking the trade for this week. I thought I was having previous week we saw that there was the beautiful trades lining up for this week, but holy shit, why? But now I'm able to see the market has done a lot of nonsense thing which is not making me interested in taking the trade. So basically this is the only trade which we are going to take. Right now his battery is 23. I need to go home now, and the time is 9:49. Let's close this video. And basically yeah, this is only trade. And again, if you're taking the trades on my ideas, basically the ideas are so high probable, but the losses is yours. Why? Let me tell you why. Because the profit happens, you're not going to transfer me. So brother, accept the fucking losses. Alright, so guys, so I will be going home. I will close this and have a wonderful trading week. Again, this is a I'm so tired right now. Let's go home. Signing off. The beautiful view. Beautiful view, man. The view is beautiful. The sky, the clouds, the leaves. The leaves are not good. But yeah, Uddish is good. So I'm closing this video. Signing off. Have a wonderful day. Peace. Have a wonderful trading week as well.